Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Nia Lachey, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I decorate or style, accessorize, whatever you want to call it, how I make my braids extra, because you know I'm all about extra, obviously. But yeah, if you want to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, so before we get started, first of all, stop what you're doing. Make sure you subscribe because, boom, you know you're gonna come back. I'm doing a tutorial on this makeup look soon. So if you want to see that, you know, subscribe. If you like my vibe, if you like what you see, then just subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Support a black sister, okay? Thank you. Anyways. So my hair is not done because like my mom is putting them in and then I'm braiding them down. So I'm not gonna like, you know, go in like back here. I'm just gonna like stick with the ones up here. So the main important ones to me are these, because sometimes I wear a ponytail and then I'll just like wear these down, or I'll wear a ponytail and I'll wear these down. So we're gonna start with these four first. And I have these beads. You cannot see them. Okay, don't judge my nails because I haven't taken them off yet. I just cut them down so that I can actually do these braids. But don't judge them, okay? Please, thank you. So these beads are like clear and like kind of holographic. Oh my gosh, y'all cannot see. Oh wait, can you see it? No, you can't see it, sorry. But they're just like clear and like holographic iridescent beads, and then I just have some white beads. So on these two, I'm gonna put, it's hot. Okay, so on these two, I'm gonna put the beads. So I'm just gonna like fold it, like make a little bump. I'm pretty sure, hopefully y'all know how to put in beads. Just make a little bump and then put it through there and then pull it out. Boom. So I'm gonna do clear white, clear white, clear white. Okay, so once you get down to the end or down to your last bead that you want on the braid, you just take the end, wrap it around the last one. So like wrap it around like that. Just make like a little loop. Get a rubber band and just like wrap the rubber band right there. And boom. Okay, now I'm gonna do it to the other one. Okay, so I have 3 pieces of yarn, pink, purple, and blue. They're all the same length. So I'm just gonna like start it. I like hang a little piece off. Basically like how you make dreads. And then just like wrap the yarn around the braid. I'm gonna do it a few times at the top to secure like the piece that's hanging down, and then start to like go down. Okay, and then at the end you're just gonna tie it. I'm gonna get this shell. Okay, and now I'm gonna tie it. And boom. And I actually don't mind that this is like sticking out and all that. I think it's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna start with purple. And I'm gonna do it like right here. And then just, this one I'm going to actually braid, like braid the yarn into the hair. If that makes sense. So right now I'm just braiding it in. And then I'm gonna do that with each color. So on top of this, I'm gonna do pink, and then on the bottom, I'm gonna do blue. Okay, so I ordered these little rings off Amazon. I'll try to put the link in the description if I can find it, but if not, just type in like gold ring hair accessories or something like that, and it came in like a big pack and it had like all different kinds in it. But I'm just gonna like put these little rings on this one. So you just open it, like break it apart. I'm gonna try to like just somehow like wrap it on there, or like put it through and then just close it back. And then it'll just hang off like that. Cute. So this is how it's looking right now, and it's so cute. Hey, my hair's not done in the middle, but it's so cute. So now what I'm gonna do is just like put beads on a few more of the braids in the back, like maybe 2 on each side, and do some more braids with strings. So I'll just get like a purple one, put a little bit of purple on here, put a little bit of pink down here, put some blue up here in the middle or something. Just like do that on a few braids so that, you know, it all blends in, but not too much, but you know, some. So I'm gonna just time lapse that real quick, and